Hello Internet, this is going to be a quick video on how to fix this error that you may or may not have every time you reboot, every time you shut down your computer. This error may not be exactly like this, but nonetheless there's some sort of a task that is preventing your computer from shutting down. So I've been fighting with this for quite a while. Every time I run a script that disables certain services because they are annoying on Windows, and after that I get this thing, and there's no fix. Everything on the internet out there that shows a solution are completely nonsense, make absolutely no sense. Don't waste your time. Like running system check. The only solution that actually worked to this point is actually wipe the whole thing and reinstall the Windows, and that solves the problem. So if you were like me, you like to disable certain services or whatever, you're probably going to run into this problem. So the solution is actually very simple. I don't have this problem on this computer, but I do have I have this problem on the other computer, on which I just finished installing Windows 10. And then once I run my script disable certain services, I'm running into this problem. And once I re-enable those services, the problem remains. So what you want to do is you open up your start menu and type task, and you just need to open a task scheduler. And if you look at the error is actually telling you exactly where to go in your task scheduler. So we need to open Microsoft Windows International Synchronization Language Settings. Is the settings that we need to get rid of. So here we go, Microsoft Windows. I'm going to press I to go down to International, and this is our synchronized language settings. And so we are basically followed that path, and we got exactly to where we need to go. And all you got to do is to either disable it or delete it, whichever way you like. And that trick will apply to pretty much any error that you will see that is very similar to this, that will show you exactly where to go. You can either go and edit that file, or make sure it's actually working, or whatever it is that you need to do to get it working, and that will work. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, please hit me with the like button, subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you later. Goodbye.